Hi, it's Paul from ROBO Deck Designer here. Have you ever wondered how much decking you're actually going to need and how much it's actually going to cost you? Well, if you do, you're going to love our new ROBO Deck Designer decking estimating tool here, which actually just estimates how much decking is actually required and how much it's going to cost you. So working out your decking materials can be a little bit tricky if you do it manually. So you're actually juggling the width for the decking material itself. You also got the area, and you also need to consider about the wastage, and you don't want to overestimate or underestimate. So we hope that this decking tool here will actually be of use to you. So the new decking estimator takes all the guesswork out of the process. So this is how it actually works. So the first step is you actually put in the area of your deck. The second one is you put in the width for the decking materials. And the third one is you actually put in your percentage. Now we recommend actually 5% just for wastage and imperfections. And the fourth one is you need to enter your maximum joist spacing. So this does actually affect the range of decking materials available to you. So from here you actually hit the calculate button, and from here it goes through and just calculates how many linear meters of decking you actually require, and also the different options from different suppliers as well. So with each result you'll get a list of all the different options available to you, and you can compare them side by side, and it also ties into the online database of costs, so you can also compare the costs as well, and the cost variance is actually quite significant. Whether you're a homeowner planning a weekend project or a professional builder just wanting to know the different range of costs for preparing a quote, this tool is going to be quite a handy thing for you actually to have. So if you go to the ROBO Deck Designer decking tool here, this will save you a lot of effort here, so why don't you just give it a go now. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it for your time taken, and we'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the ROBO Deck Designer YouTube channel. Thank you.